Woke up tight, tired, or tense? Let's reset everything your body's been carrying. If your hips feel locked, your back's been whispering pain, or stress is trapped in your shoulders, this 5-minute flow is for you. And that final stretch, it's going to release more than just tension. Let's move. Let's start slow. Knees wide, big toes together, and sink your hips back over your heels. Stretch your arms long in front of you. Forehead to the mat. Breathe deep. Because why start here? Because rest isn't a reward, it's recovery, and your nervous system has been waiting for this. I promise, this is going to melt tension off your spine like butter on a warm pan. Beginners, place a pillow under your belly. Advanced stretches, try bringing the chest even closer to the floor. Child's pose isn't just relaxing, it decompresses the spine and can help reduce anxiety. Sink a little deeper for 5 more seconds. Do you feel your breath deepening? That's your body shifting into recovery mode. That just calmed your system. Now let's open your heart. Come forward onto your belly. Hands under your shoulders. Press up through your palms. Keep your elbows soft and shoulders away from your ears. Gaze forward. This isn't just a back bend. It's a message to your spine. You're safe to move again. I promise this stretch will open the front of your body, boost circulation, and get you breathing more freely. Beginners, keep your elbows bent and chest lower. Advanced stretches, straighten the arms and lift the thighs off the floor. Upward dog. Here's what most people miss. The spine needs to extend just as much as it needs to flex. And you're doing both today. Hold 5 more seconds. Breathe into your ribs. Feel a stretch across the belly or chest. That's you reclaiming space in your posture. That just lifted your spine. Now let's go deeper into the hips. Sit up tall. Bring the soles of your feet together. Let your knees fall open. Hold your ankles and feet and gently press your knees toward the floor. Breathe into your hips. Your hips hold more emotion than you think. When they soften, everything else follows. I promise you'll stand taller and walk lighter after this one. Beginners, sit on a block or folded towel. Advanced stretches, gently hinge forward while keeping a flat back. Studies show that hip opening stretches like this can reduce cortisol, your stress hormone. Can you lean forward 1 inch deeper? 5 more seconds. Are your hips resisting? That's your body learning to release. That just unlocked your hips. Now let's unwind the neck. Sit or kneel comfortably. Drop your right ear toward the right shoulder. Hold, then switch. Go slow. Breathe through it. This is the stretch you didn't know you needed until it brings relief you didn't know was possible. I promise this will reduce lingering tension from sleep, screens, or stress. Beginners, keep shoulders relaxed. Advanced stretches, gently place your hand on the opposite temple for a deeper pull. Neck muscles connect to your jaw, shoulders, even your posture. This is more than a head tilt. Tilt and hold for 5 more seconds. Feel that pull down the side of your neck. That's decades of tightness letting go. That just restored your posture. Now let's finish where it matters most. Come to all fours, then slowly widen your knees apart. Feet turned outward. Lower your hips back and down. Forearms on the mat. This is where we let go of everything still stuck in your hips. You've been building towards this whole moment. I promise this is going to feel like your hips exhaling. Beginners, keep hips higher. Advanced stretches, rock gently back and forth or lower your chest to the floor. Frog pose increases joint space in the hips, which can reduce pressure and inflammation. Stay with me for 5 more seconds. Just breathe. Can you feel your body surrendering here? That shift is real. But if you sit for hours today, your body's going to need more. That's why I created the 3-day reset, a free daily plan to keep you pain-free, mobile, and fully connected all day long. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment before tension steals back what you just reclaimed. You started strong, let's build on it together.